Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer a ChatGPT conversation to another account. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and press enter. Once you're there, locate your profile icon in the lower left corner and click on it. From the menu, select Settings, then navigate to Data Controls. Here, you will find the option to export your data. Click on Export and confirm your request. ChatGPT will begin preparing your data and send you an email once it is ready. Open your email inbox, find the message from ChatGPT, and click the link provided to download your data. Save the file securely on your computer. Next, log in to the account where you want to transfer the conversation. Click the plus icon, select Add Files, and upload the downloaded file, specifically the zip file. Submit the file and wait for the process to complete. You can then command ChatGPT to analyze the file and its contents to transfer it. The transfer may take a few moments depending on the data size. So that's basically how you can transfer a ChatGPT conversation to another account. That's it for this video. Thanks.